TikTok now has a Stories feature, allowing you to post photos and videos that will disappear after 24 hours. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to use TikTok Stories. Now let's get started. To post a story on TikTok, tap the plus sign at the bottom to open the TikTok camera. Then select Quick at the bottom. Here you can upload a photo or a video from your device, or you can snap a new one. Above the shutter button, you can select either photo or video. You can use the same effects and filters you normally use when recording TikTok videos. You can also add music or other sounds. Tap the shutter button if you're taking a photo, or hold it down to take a video. Add sounds, text, filters, stickers, and effects if you like. Tap Post to Story to share this as a story post that will disappear after 24 hours. If you've changed your mind and want to share it as a normal TikTok, tap Next to go to the standard post screen instead. Story posts will appear in your followers' feeds the same way your regular TikTok videos do. People can like and comment on them as normal as well. On your profile, your story will appear in the top left corner for easy access. TikTok stories will automatically disappear 24 hours after posting. That's all it takes to post stories on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.